Have you ever thought that there might be a secret in our solar system that we are reluctant to face? It's not a black hole nor an asteroid, but a seemingly tranquil blue planet. Recent data suggests that some of its extreme characteristics defy our understanding of physical laws. What's more unsettling is that some scientists suspect that beneath its frozen exterior, something might be brewing. Why is the laziest and most bizarre celestial body in our solar system not the distant Pluto, but this icy blue ice giant? Even the most resilient viruses would instantly freeze solid into cosmic dust here. This is Uranus, a world that remains almost entirely unknown to humanity, yet one brimming with a deadly allure. For ages, Uranus remained perfectly hidden from human view. Even when astronomer Galileo first observed it through a telescope in 1612, he mistakenly catalogued it as nothing more than an ordinary star. It wasn't until 1986 that the Voyager 2 probe, during its epic flyby, finally revealed its frozen visage. The data it sent back sent chills down the spines of scientists. It was an extreme world beyond all imagination. Uranus is about 2.9 billion kilometers from the Sun. It takes 84 Earth years to complete a single orbit. This means that if a human were born on Uranus, they might not even live to see their first birthday, by Uranian years. But the most shocking feature is its near-total lying-down spin. With an axial tilt of 98 degrees, it rolls on its side like a giant, knocked-over ball. This bizarre orientation results in its north and south poles undergoing 42 years of continuous sunlight followed by 42 years of utter, frozen darkness. This plunges the entire planet's climate into a cosmic-level cycle of madness. During 42 years of relentless solar bombardment, the polar region becomes paradoxically warmer than the equator, and the atmosphere churns violently. Then, as it plunges into the long night, the entire hemisphere rapidly cools to a bone-shattering -224 degrees Celsius. This profound cold makes Uranus the coldest planet in our solar system. The deep freeze, nearing some of the coldest temperatures in the solar system, causes atmospheric gases to almost grind to a halt. This extreme alternation makes Uranus the only planet in our solar system where the poles are hotter than the equator, a true paradox of gravitational and thermodynamic laws. So, what exactly caused Uranus to tilt onto its side at such a bizarre angle? Astronomers, using supercomputer simulations, hypothesized that around 4 billion years ago, during the solar system's chaotic infancy, a protoplanet as massive as Earth slammed into Uranus with cataclysmic force. The tremendous impact knocked Uranus onto its side. This catastrophic collision not only completely flipped its rotation axis but also shattered its primordial crust, causing internal icy materials to surge out and redistribute. Ultimately, this forged the strange internal structure of the ice giant we see today. Although often grouped with Jupiter and Saturn as a gas giant, Uranus's interior is fundamentally different. It's about 4 times wider than Earth, with a core roughly Earth's size, composed of iron and magnesium silicate. But surrounding this core lies a planet-wide superocean of slushy ice, a mixture of water, ammonia, and methane. It is these very substances that give Uranus its icy blue appearance. But this serene blue facade is an illusion. When Voyager 2 approached, it discovered that this ice giant, nearly 51,000 kilometers in diameter, was being whipped by methane winds roaring at 900 kilometers per hour. This was a superstorm that had been raging for over 30 years, releasing energy far surpassing any weather system on Earth. Scientists still cannot fully explain the source of this energy. Even more mysterious are Uranus's 13 planetary rings, which are as dark as charcoal. Composed of dark material with extremely low reflectivity, they circle the planet like invisible shackles. They went undetected until 1977, when they were discovered by chance during a stellar occultation. Unlike Saturn's bright and magnificent rings, the ring system of Uranus a cosmic shadow, silently enveloping this world of contradictions. Perhaps only when we truly uncover the secrets hidden deep within Uranus will we understand why this sideways rolling ice giant remains the most unsettling yet captivating wonder in our solar system.